Hi there and welcome to Golden Elite. We've got a brand new collection of brushed gold accessories, bathtub faucets, and shower hardware. So come take a look at that in one of our 4 locations across Montreal. Let's go. Our gold finished faucet embodies superior design and functionality, offering precise water flow and a striking addition to your bathroom. The sliding shower door with its effortless glide and water repellent glass combines sleek design with practicality, framed in our signature brushed gold finish. Our pop-up drain features a swift water release and a cohesive style that beautifully complements our faucets, marrying functionality with sophistication. Complete your space with our accessory set, including a towel bar, ring, tissue holder, and robe hook, each piece reflecting our commitment to quality and thoughtful design. Finally, our bathtub faucet offers a luxurious escape with its elegant design and versatile hand shower, all finished in our radiant brushed gold. Discover more about our collection and elevate your home by visiting our website and following us on social media.